Welcome back to A La Carte Cooking for another puzzling cocktail. The puzzles are still out. That is right, we are still working on this damn puzzle. It is 2,000 pieces and it hasn't done anything since we made the first cocktail. Oh well, this one is another audience-inspired cocktail. This one was from Tori. Thank you, Tori. Originally it's called the it's the White Christmas Martini. We did the New Year's White Martini.
White New Year's Martini.
The White New Year's Martini.
Like it's snowy outside.
Ah, yes, like it's snowy outside. We still threw in a little Christmas into it. Got a little color into our sugar room. This is a pretty simple cocktail again. It's 2 ounces of vodka. Originally it's vanilla vodka, but we're using regular vodka. We don't have vanilla vodka, so we're using vanilla extract instead. 2 ounces of white chocolate liqueur, 1 ounce of creme de cacao, or if you're like me, you'll say creme de cacao. Don't ask why, I have no idea where that comes from, but that's just what I like to say. And then we're gonna sugar rim this with the Christmas, New Year's inspired sugar rim. It's nice and colorful and sparkly. And then we'll taste this. I have no idea how it's gonna taste, but from the ingredients, it looks pretty good. We're gonna use a cocktail shaker for this one. It is not a stirring cocktail. Previous ones have been stirred. In goes 2 ounces. Now, to be honest with you, I'm gonna dial it back just a skosh. Only reason being is I know this is a 5 ounce martini glass and we have 5 ounces of liquid ingredients. So when you shake it up, it's gonna turn into 6 ounces. Just natural, what do you call it? Melting of the ice. It's going to be 6 ounces. So I'm just taking it and dialing it back by just a skosh for all of these little ingredients here. Same ratios. Remember what I talked about a few episodes ago on our 12 cocktails of Christmas? Ratios is everything. What I mean by that is, let's say you're in America, you've got the imperial system. We use ounces, feet, things like that. Or maybe you're in Europe, you use metric system and liters. It doesn't matter when you use ratios. You can measure in Lego blocks. It doesn't matter. It's still ratio. 2 Lego blocks, 2 ounces, same thing. Maybe not, but still, it's 2 to 1, all right? So we're using 2 parts of the vodka, 2 parts of, that is not a bottle. Hope you all saw that one. That's what happens when my brain is going in 2 different directions, just like the 2 parts. So 2 parts of vodka, 2 parts of white chocolate liqueur, and 1 part of the creme de cacao. We're gonna shake this all up.
What about the vanilla?
Oh, the Scotia vanilla. I'm staring right at it. Because we don't have the vanilla vodka, we're using just a dash. Ooh, that smells good. That little vanilla. Shake it up. Good solid shake. Essentially what you're looking for is your hands to get very cold and possibly stick to the container. When you got to that point, it's probably cold enough. If it hasn't, keep shaking. And if it feels like your feet are about to fall off, you've made it. Perfect. That is a very chilled cocktail. I'm gonna let that sit there. I'm gonna show you how to rim this martini glass. We have here a nice little bowl of water. You take your martini glass and dip it into your water. There we go. Kind of get it going here. Looks a little bit more of a snow dusting instead of a solid rim. Moving on, time for the cocktail. Star of the show. Oh, look at that, lovely. If you ever get that coming back on you, you just pour faster. Ooh, look at that. Perfect. That is so full, I'm not going to pick it up for the grand tasting. That's very nice, sweet. Vanilla comes through. I like this. This is a good cocktail. So very New Year's Eve and very Christmassy at the same time. I like this. This is a good cocktail. It's very prominent on the white chocolate liqueur, but the vanilla comes through in it nicely. If you wanted to change it up a little bit, change up the vodka a little bit. Maybe do a different flavor. But as is, it's nice. It's good. It's a good New Year's drink. Different from your bubbliness, right? Your bubbly champagne. Thank you so much, Tori. This is a great fun cocktail. It's like dessert. Well, thank you so much, Tori. And thank you all for watching this evening's cocktails. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and if you have other ideas of what cocktails you want me to make, please put them in the comments. I will make sure I respond and make them. I will see you guys next time in the new year. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time.